Every day, in more than 120 countries around the world, Baxter is there.
Baxter. Baxter is founded in 1931. It's 89 years ago. Baxter or the Baxter International Incorporation is founded in 1931 by Donald Baxter, a Los Angeles-based medical doctor, a manufacturer and distributor of intravenous. The house is an American multinational healthcare company with the headquarters in Deerfield, Illinois. In 1971, became also a member of the Fortune 500. Baxter built a major manufacturing plant in Ashdod, Israel, and as the result of the company was placed on the Arab language boycott list in the early 1980s. In the year 1982, Baxter acquired Medcom Incorporation in a New York-based firm founded by Richard Fuzes and his brother that has the large market in the United States and Saudi Arabia. We are proud to be recognized by numerous global, national, and local industry associations and the publication around the world. In March 2014, Baxter announced plans to create two cooperation-independent global healthcare companies, one focused on developing and marketing pharmaceutical and the other the medical products. Also in July 2014, Baxter also announced that it was exiting the vaccine business, divesting its commercial vaccine portfolio to provide and exploring options for its vaccine R&D programs, including influenza. The company announced the word acquired separate firm from Sopo for $360 million in the year December 2019. For the more than 85 years, they have pioneered significant medical innovations that changed healthcare from the first commercially produced intravenous solution to today's leading acute, nutritional, renal, and surgical innovation care. We are committed to providing leading healthcare solutions.
Baxter established a top 20 compliance reduction, a comprehensive program to enhance product performance and safety. They introduced several new products in the hospital and renal markets to continually improve the customer's experience. And also, they had global strategies and programs to help ensure that it meets product materials restrictions.
Implementation of the tools and techniques in Baxter, Cartago, Costa Rica. Baxter Corporate Responsibility Council is composed of executives and subject matter experts from across the organization. Council member sponsors Baxter Corporate Responsibility, priorities, and goals. Each sponsor is accountable for developing goals and action. The Council meets quarterly to review progress. The team faced the problem of easy separation of components on anesthesia circuits. The root cause was identified as adult isoflex tubing top design. In order to eliminate this problem and to improve their product, the company shifted from a linear model of take, make, dispose to a circular model to capture the most value from the natural resources. In 2016, Baxter established Top 20 Complaint Reduction, a comprehensive program to enhance product performance and safety. It includes the new cuff design, which is called Mini Cuff, a disposable product that supports peritoneal dialysis, Baxter's quality and engineering team implemented a multi-tiered approach to reduce process variability and improve inspection capabilities. Next is the new resin, changing catheter extension set materials from Ariclic to ABS plastic virtually eliminated connection complaints for the product. Last is the improvement of assembly operation. The company also collaborates with the regulatory bodies to advance quality and safety, such as FDA. To achieve its vision to be a top quartile company, Baxter is also collaborating with suppliers and contract manufacturers to create their capabilities and support ongoing improvements in innovation in the company's product portfolio.
The third one, we have the Baxter Cartago, Costa Rica. So, there were solutions executed by the team and it resulted to 100% reduction of complaints, savings of $240,000, and a better ergonomic assembly process.
J.P.Morgan Chase and Corporation is founded in 1871. It's 149 years ago. J.P. Morgan, or known as John Pierpont Morgan, is one of the most powerful banker of his era. J.P. Morgan was a commercial and investment banking institution founded by J.P. Morgan in 1971. The company is sometimes referred as the Morgan House or simply Morgan. The company has the producers of the three largest banking institutions in the world. The name J.P. Morgan is now used as the brand name of J.P. Morgan Chase and Corporation Investment Banking Operations. By the late 1980s, J.P. Morgan has emerged as a large but not dominant commercial and investment banking franchise with an attractive brand name and a strong preference in debt and equity structure in the underwriting investment. Year 2020. J.P. Morgan or Chase was looking for another transformational national merger to improve the position of the investment banking. Merged with J.P. Morgan to form J.P. Morgan Chase on Corporation. So, in the year 2020, J.P. Morgan improved their company to J.P. Morgan Chase and Corporation. In 2004, joint venture became the joint venture with J.P. Morgan combined the Casinoves. Casinoves is the investment banking operation with the UK investment banking business. January 2014, J.P. Morgan announced the launch of the GPM coin, a digital token that will be used to be settle transaction between the client of its wholesale payments business. In the year 2004 also, J.P. Morgan Chase merged with the Chicago-based bank or the Bank One Corporation, bringing on board current Chairman and CEO James Dimon as the President and CEO. J.P. Morgan Chase or the John Pierpont Morgan is become of the one largest banks both in the United States and globally, offering a bold complement of a business.
Their actions have been far-reaching, drawing on what they have learned from their missteps. Self-examination is very much a part of the fabric of their company, and their commitment to integrity, fairness, and responsibility gives them the fortitude to stay the course in addressing their challenges. They have taken great care to articulate and emphasize their cultural values and corporate standards consistently, and so they can be internalized by employees and result in the kinds of observable, ethical behaviors that they expect. As everything they do, One of the most important goals for them throughout has been to enhance the customer's experience.
Implementation of the tools and techniques used for quality improvement in J.P.Morgan Chase. J.P.Morgan Chase used a Six Sigma methodology to analyze data and internal processes and reduce adjustments in Northeast items processing. They also established cross-functional team of 72 employees which will work together to improve the customer satisfaction and experience, streamline processes, and reduce operating costs. The problem is the lack of consistency and processes and procedures. The solution is by establishing Six Sigma methodology. It helps develop a strong process orientation, which will then improve their quality and reliability at a business process level based on a clear and more comprehensive understanding of their customers' requirement. And this will also help JP Morgan to improve quality while reducing costs, because Six Sigma provides service organization with a disciplined way to prevent errors, minimize handoffs, and eliminate rework and workarounds.
The last one is the JP Morgan Chase. So the team has managed to achieve improved customer experience, streamlined internal processes, and reduced operating costs by 1.4 million annually. And that's all for the results after the implementation of tools and techniques for performance excellence.
Our global team starts every day with one goal in mind: to serve our clients. We help corporations and institutions grow their businesses and help clients invest and manage risk in trading markets around the world. We raise capital, lend money, extend liquidity, and provide strategic advice. We help governments build infrastructure, fund schools, and finance hospitals. And we deliver market-leading research and insight to issuers and investors. We bring global capabilities to local markets and develop smart, strategic solutions that help clients and communities thrive. We are diverse and dynamic, collaborative and innovative, trusted advisors and thought leaders. We are the corporate and investment bank. We are JP Morgan.